Okay, let's see how to do a voiceover recording in Premiere Pro 2018. Okay, first of all, make sure your microphone is set up correctly and come here to the speaker sign and right click on that speaker and go to recording devices. And here on the recording tab you can see that one microphone is active, it's working fine, the voice is detected and it's set to default recording device. Here's the green sign. If you right click on it and go to properties, at levels we can see that the volume of the recording is set to pretty high, so the microphone is working fine. Now we should record using this button. If you don't have this microphone sign there, just right click this track, the audio track. A is from audio, V is from video. So right click the audio track and go to customize. Okay, and just drag that microphone sign and drop it there. Okay, so let's start recording by setting the cursor from the beginning, so the audio will be recorded from the beginning. And after I press on this one, a countdown will appear in the middle of the screen, 3 seconds, plus my voice will be echoing. Okay, so let's preview it. Microphone is red, countdown, and we have the echo plus the red sign here. Let's just stop it. So the red sign is clearly showing us that we are recording, and after you stop it the waveform shows up. Okay, so let's eliminate that echoing first. Go to Edit, Preferences and Audio Hardware, and the echo can be reduced from this latency by setting it to the lowest value, or you can totally mute it by going to Audio and Mute Input during timeline recording. Okay, and of course the audio will be recorded, but it will not be sent from the microphone to the speakers or to your headphone. Okay, now let's do another thing. Let's eliminate that countdown. To do that, right click on the audio track, go to voiceover recording settings and uncheck this pre-roll thing and close it. Okay, now if we start recording, now it is not counting down, it's not counting, but it's recording instantly. Let's just stop it. Okay, another thing, make sure your cursor is at the end of that audio clip, otherwise if it's, let's say, there, and if you start recording, then this portion will be overwritten. Let's just try that one also. Okay, so now it's recording, it's not showing the waveform, only after I stop it, but this portion will be overwritten, it will disappear. So stop, and yes, that area disappeared. Okay, so that's the recording. If you want to adjust the level, the volume of the recording, simply double click this area, and from here, from the middle, you can set the volume higher or lower individually for each and every clip. Okay, and nothing. You can even if by double clicking on it, you can even cut out some portions. That's the end and that's the beginning. As you can see, I cut off the beginning and the end part. Okay, and if you don't like any of them, you can delete them from here. Select the first one, hold down the shift key, select the last one, right click and clear, and it will disappear from the timeline also. Clear, yes, to delete them, and they are all gone. Okay, so that's the audio recording inside Premiere Pro 2018. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.